Hey team, I've opened the cloud stop motion activity that I've given you. All right. And then I went ahead and took my first picture from my paper. It looked like this. All right. All I did was click here on my camera, or you can click it over here. I think there's also a camera option here. So there's a ton of camera options in some activities. What's going to happen is each time you click the button, it will take a picture of whatever you have going on in your camera. You might have to allow your camera the first time. As you collect all of the pictures that you need and it starts to animate, you can hit play to check it out. And then when you're all done, go up here to export your files to MP3 and you'll save it as something that'll save to your computer and then you can move it to your drive. All right, I'll be back here in a moment or two with a few more slides to add to my stop motion. All right, team, I went through and added a bunch more slides to my presentation, and now my stop animation is set to go. The only thing I'm going to need to do is head to this option right here. All right, that helps me to choose the speed in which I want. And I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. Otherwise, it's going to be like a 2-second video. So I'm going to say maybe per second, I'm going to say 2 frames per second. Then I'm going to hit play and see how that looks. There we go. There's my crystal stair. Go, go, go. All right, we know life isn't a crystal stair. Life gets tough. Nice. All right, when I'm all done, like I said, I'm going to head up here to my options for exporting my film. It's saving my film to my movie area. I'm going to go ahead and hit download. It saves it to my computer. And then I can drag this right into my Google Drive and get a shareable link for it. So when you're all done, make sure you do that, and I will have a place for you to submit that link. Excellent. I can't wait to see these. See you guys later.